So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how to set up WSL, basically how to install WSL in your Windows system. Okay, so for this there are some requirements which need to be fulfilled, so follow the video, follow this particular thing which I am telling here. The Windows version you can install it on Windows 10, but there are some requirements which you need to fulfill. Like, you can check those requirements by pressing Windows plus R and WinVer. Okay, but before that, the reason why Windows 10 and 20H1 is recommended is due to the WSL helper script already pre-installed. So there are some requirements as in Kali official page, it's showing this type of requirements. So after typing WinVer there in Windows plus R, after the you will type WinVer, then you will see something like that. My requirements are fulfilled accordingly, then check yours. If it is not, then update your Windows or shift to Windows 11. Okay, so if it is fulfilling, if it's all okay, then you can proceed with installing WSL. Okay, so what WSL does, WSL gives you the feature of running Linux on Windows. Okay, so basically you can use WSL like Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, it is very great for like Hashcat, using Hashcat GPU based password cracking. You will not face some troubles which you face in VMware or VirtualBox. Okay, so here we will install WSL. Okay, so the prerequisite as per the Microsoft, there are some prerequisite, as you can see, you can read this. Okay, accordingly the link will be in description. First, open WSL. You need to open PowerShell in your administrator mode. Okay, before that I want to show you something. Like, in your Microsoft store you can just type Kali and you can see there is an install Kali Linux open source, something like that. Okay, so if you will install that, then also there will be, you will be installing a Kali Linux image or WSL. Okay, for WSL. Okay, so here I am just installing Windows subsystem for Linux. For that there are some things you need to do, there are some features which you need to turn on. First is the Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, you need to just tick there. Okay, click and it will be ticked there. Okay, then you need to give the permission for Windows hypervisor platform, and above that there is another option which is virtual machine platforms. Tick there also. So the three options are there: virtual machine platform, Windows subsystem for Linux, and Windows hypervisor platform, like that. Okay, so if these three options are ticked, then just click OK and it will ask for restart your system again. Then open PowerShell in administrator mode. Okay, after opening in administrator mode, you will write just WSL there. It will ask you to install WSL. Don't do anything, click Ctrl C, and there I will show you one command to install accordingly WSL. Okay, don't follow the documentation. If you will write WSL install, here it's showing install WSL, like WSL install, then it will install Ubuntu on your system. Okay, it is there, it is installing in default Ubuntu. Okay, so it will take space and memory, so I will not recommend that. I am using the Kali official page where they have recommended for this particular command for updating the packages and installing WSL first. Okay, so for installing WSL you need to write the command WSL dash update dash pre dash release. Okay, dash pre dash release. Okay, use this command for installing WSL first. Okay, then only you can use any distro of Linux like Ubuntu, Debian or Kali for installing on WSL. Okay, so first you need to install WSL. For installing WSL, use this command, wait for some minute as per your internet connection. After it will be installed. Okay, so after installing, see, enabling features, it will be enabling some features. So as I have shown all the features, to enable that you need to enable that too. Okay, for using it. After it, you will see the status, I have installed it. Okay, so it's done. So basically you learned how to install WSL. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.